Let's make this quick and easy overnight oats for breakfast. I am using some flaxseed along with chia seeds, almond milk, and some old-fashioned oats. I'm using half cup of old-fashioned oats, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon chia seed, and 1 cup almond milk. I'm just going to give this a stir, and then I'm going to add some mangoes. You can add any fruits of choice. I'm just going to give this another stir, cover, and put in the refrigerator overnight. This is what my overnight oats look like. Yummy, yummy. This is a healthy choice, healthy breakfast. If you don't like your oats cold, you can just warm it up.